Hey, what's up? It's Toni. So, if you want to know how I did this little soft look, stay tuned. Hey, so let's do this quick, soft, easy walkthrough. I'm going to start off by priming my face with Smashbox Photo Finish. It's my absolute favorite primer. I like it because it's silicone. I have to tell you about this time I used a water-based primer. It was not good. I looked like I was 800 years old. Anyway, I told y'all before I use Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. It's my absolute favorite. And I just shape my eyebrows quickly with that. Nothing over the top. I just kind of add the shape to them. My eyebrows are pretty decent, so I just kind of really fill the ends in. Then I take some Studio Finish Concealer by MAC and clean them up, like kind of carve them out where they look like I've gotten them done. Take a dense brush and blend that in. Blend it all the way down until it's like your skin color. I'm using a NARS foundation with my favorite foundation brush as of right now, and I just dot it all over my face and then blend. I don't put it around my eyes. I actually just do it everywhere else except for under my eyes. Now, I didn't show this on the video, but actually, you know what? Typically, I would go under my eyes with my other concealer that I did under my eyebrows, but now that I'm looking at it, I didn't do that today. I went straight under with Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand, and I just blended. This is my highlight color. So the trick is, wherever on your face you want to pull forward and the light to hit, you use light, and wherever you want it to disappear, you use dark. So I want to bring out these spots, like the bridge of my nose, and you blend. And then I go in with a concealer stick by Fenty Beauty. That one is espresso. It comes in like a trio. It's 3 of them. And I want to make certain places on my face disappear, like want to hollow in my cheekbones. That under my chin, I'm doing that again. I'm doing that too. Because baby, I'm still trying to get this pandemic weight up off of me. Anyway, so I just kind of do a little eye trick, a little light trick with that. So go in with my nifty banana powder and set under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, right above my lip, and then that little space in my forehead, and then dust it off. I don't bake. I bake just enough to get it on and brush it off. I also kind of dust my eyelids too. And then this powder right here is a powder that I got in a gift bag at an event I went to, and it's Black Radiance. I actually love it. Then I just go in and use my MAC blush. Use whatever blush that's kind of like a pink, in the pink family. I tried to get what the name of this blush was, but it's so old I can't even see what it is on the bottom. So blush. Whoo, my favorite, Waterloo. It's Blackberry Lemonade. Now I'm going to go in with the that whatever that color was I pointed at in my Juvia's Place palette, and that's like my transition color. It's kind of just a little smidge darker than my skin color, and I just blend it at the top of my crease. We're doing pink look, so the name of that palette is also a Juvia's Place palette, and it's called the Berries palette. And I'm gonna go in with the pink right there. Pat it all on my lid and down. Pat. Just put it all over your lid. And I usually, when I didn't put a base on it, so it takes a little bit more shadow. When I'm doing an everyday look, I typically don't base it because it could be a little overkill and a little too jamming for the daytime. So I just use my basic concealer to
That was a bumper sticker.
Hello?
Are you on the way to the bus stop?
Huh? Oh no, I didn't know. You got a half day today?
Yeah.
Okay, here I come. How long you been sitting there? I right up back. I had to go pick him up from the bus stop. That was a whole fiasco. Anyway, it was just 5 minutes from my house. So then I take that darker kind of maroon color and go in my crease with it to kind of define my crease. My son right there was asking me about some crawfish, whether he could eat them. Anyway, I go in with the crease with that kind of deep cranberry looking color, and just define the crease to give it a little drama, but not too much. Then the look for me is always, for whatever reason, light in the corner. Like it just seems to always make my eyes pop. Like I see people without that and it looks bomb on them, but anytime I try to do it, it just never quite looks right to me. Anyway, this is Anglola by the Crayon Case. Baby, when I tell you, if you get this one time in your life, you will never have to buy another highlighter again, because this, you talking about something that go a long way, it's this right here. And then I go in with my eyebrows and kind of lighten them up with that brow tint. It's from MAC. I don't know what color it is. The color came off. I think it's something like Boy or something like that. But do that. Hit that face with some all-nighter. Boom, 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 boom. And there we go.